Okay, hello everyone, my name's Scott. Today we're changing things up and gonna blow up a lithium battery. Okay, so here it is. It is just a small little lipo I use for a small race drone. It's just a 3-cell high volt 525 milliamp. It's got a little XT30 on there and a little balance connector, so I'm gonna go ahead and chop those off. But I'm gonna go ahead and tape this to a board with some duct tape, and I'm gonna send a nail straight through it. So the reason I'm doing that is because one cell is fully dead at 0.0 volts. So this battery's useless, and I'm gonna be going ahead and using the reusable fire extinguisher too. This basically just has a Schrader valve on a fire extinguisher, so that I can just load it with whatever I want and spray water out of it, which probably isn't the smartest idea due to H2O reacts with Li and will cause a reaction, but you know, it's all good fun. And this also serves as a flamethrower too, so I could post more videos of this in the future. But I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the battery, and I will cut to it then. Okay, so we have our battery just hot glued on there with our hammer and our nail. And I am going to be wearing a respirating mask, glasses, and gloves. Also, I don't get cancer and die and crap like that. So, let's go do this. Okay, so here we go. Let's try this. Woo! Right, dead center. Okay, nothing too exciting it looks like. I'm sure it is very hot, but there it is. I'll go ahead and try putting this through a another point on there. Oh yes, the nail is very hot. Yep. This battery now has a hole straight through it. I'm gonna just put some water on it, see if the water does anything. So let's go ahead and put some water on it. Yep. Okay, well, that looks about it. Okay. So, there it is. As you can see, I just banged the crap out of it with the hammer. But, there it is. That is what's inside of this Lipo battery. Completely discharged now. So, yeah. Cool. There we go. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.